Yo, yo, yo! Or should I say, yo, yo, yo? Here we have Firebomb with Lava Blaster here. We're riding on a sleigh! Woo! Woo, 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 woo!
Jingle
Bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Did you see the shark
ride
who had
horse.
like
Yeah.
a Christmas hat on?
Okay, yeah, it was really cute. Okay, so now we have unlimited air, so we just need to survive the shark.
We're gonna look for the treasure chest.
Yeah, hopefully we'll find it. Oh, I'm going down.
No, you have to get you have to get a receipt.
Oh yeah.
To go down, 'cause we can't go
Shark! Try to wreck our boat.
Yeah.
See you try. Oh, it's dark time. That's worse for sharks.
Like
Yeah. Look at us. We're
hey, you know the person that said, "Oh, that person died"?
Yeah.
He's the shark.
Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, we're Santa Claus helpers, but we're Santa Claus on
Wheels.
yeah. No.
Ice. Water.
Water.
Water
Yeah.
ice.
Water ice. Yeah, that's good.
Water.
I see the shark.
We found the shark.
You see those symbols? Oh my god. Those symbols means the shark.
Ow.
Ow.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
What the heck?
It's his first time.
You're sure? We've been doing it for like thousands of years.
Where is he?
We're gonna find the
I don't
shark.
know, I lost him.
Did he die?
We lost him.
I swear the shark's just gonna pop up on me. I am not kidding. Gonna just like pop up us both. At least I have my gun ready. Pew pew pew.
Yeah, what the heck?
I'm saving this up for the shark. You can reload.
Where is this shark?
I wish there was like a seat, like back at the presents. That'd be good. Oh, a present. Okay.
Burn.
Yeah, Karin is right. Oh my god. Where is the shark? Like really?
There's our base.
It really is. Yeah. Right, Lava?
Right!
Yeah, so.
Yeah, they can hear you.
I know, just we're going through
Unicorns!
The shark's chasing us.
Unicorns!
What the heck? I see the shark. I see the shark. I'm not
Where
kidding.
is he?
Mm,
I died.
he died.
We died.
Oh.
That's nice. We died.
We had our air tanks too.
I know.
Not the way to spend it.
Oh, look at these. They're getting crumbled. Oh, they're like candy cane platforms.
I bet. Okay.
Oh, there's a snowman.
Where?
There's a snowman here. Go up on the platforms. You will see a snowman at the top.
Where?
Right
Ah!
here. A
Oh,
little snowman.
that's so
I
cute.
fell.
Oh,
Time back up.
hey, snowman.
You
got a wife?
Ooh, I'm shark. No.
Yes.
Don't let me fall. Okay.
Well, so
Look, it's snowing.
yeah, snowing bright and. Oh my god! The snowman all the way up there is their family. He got lost.
Oh my
God. Yeah.
And I built the presents. This present, you know, the purple present right here next to the purple snowman. Not to say anything, but that one is some snowman perfume. Yep. And then I got the man.
Shh, I hear you.
Oh,
They have ears.
Sorry. And then the man, I got him some cologne
Wow.
for his stinky stick armpit. Because you never know who made the snowman
Oh my god.
and what kind of stick they got it out of. Was it sticky, smelly, or taste?
Here, let me smell it. Aw, I think he needs to open up his present now.
Ew! And you, lady, I can't wait for you to get my present. because I got something special for you.
What did you get her again? I'm sorry.
Perfume.
Oh yeah, she does stink a lot.
I don't want to be shark. Please don't make me shark.
Oh, I was about to be shark. Ooh.
Sleigh bell. Guys, want to go on a pirate ship?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or do you guys?
Pirate ship it is.
How about any of these? No.
Pirate ship.
Okay, we'll do the pirate ship. But I want to see his first. No, ew. There's only one seat on this.
Hurry.
Christmas time is here.
Did I say Christian? I mean Christmas
Time is here. Bang. Bang.
I just thought
What the heck?
because your thing on your thing it says Christian, so I called you by your name. I'm sorry. That's not what I should call you here.
No, you shouldn't.
I'm sorry, Fireball.
Yeah.
Oh, did you see the? Aww, you little liar! You just betrayed us.
What? Oh, he left. The
Yeah,
shark left.
I know he did, because he's like just doesn't want to be a shark sometimes.
He thinks he's better than us.
He does.
Well,
Someone sent to me. Me is cool. Someone sent to me. Yay.
okay. Okay, so after this round, we are gonna go because we think they're better than us, and that's not acceptable. And
We're not acceptable.
yeah, like totally. So, I really do want to try out. I really do want to try out the air thingies. So
The unlimited breath thingy.
yeah,
You watched us die. Now you have to watch us live.
yeah.
Wasn't he already shark? I swear he was already shark.
Okay,
You know what? We're gonna go on my pirate boat. We're not good.
I'm going on the ducky.
No, you're not.
Don't tell me when I can't. Ooh.
Get in this firebomb right now.
Get in this firebomb. Can you invite me in?
No, I will not invite you.
Okay, I'll go to my.
That was a
boat.
limited time offer. 5, 4, 3,
I guess.
2.
Leave boat.
And 43, 9,
6.
Oh,
Whatever. It doesn't really
I
matter.
can't read
Yeah, you can.
clearly. You know what? We're gonna do a backflip. Christian, move.
No, I can't.
Bye.
No, stop. No, ah! You ditched me.
You're right, I did.
That's not
Where are you?
nice.
Where are you?
We're playing hide and seek, trying to find
I
me.
found you.
Make a run for it.
Oh my god, just get in.
Oh, where's the bubble now, huh? There's no bubble. Oh.
Just get on. Just get on.
Okay.
We have to show these people what a backflip looks like.
You sure? Pretty sure they know what a backflip looks like.
On a pirate ship?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Firebomb, would you give my demonstration? You just stand on deck.
No, but then I'll die.
Yes. Christian, and 438996, and 438996. Wow.
No, you're really bad at this.
I am. Hey, no, stop climbing.
No. No, wait. I want to sit down. I want to sit down. Whoa, I'm inside the boat.
Bye. Backflip.
Wait, you guys just saw that, right? I was inside the boat and then it kicked me out.
Where are you?
You see me?
Oh, you're not that far apart. So, did you guys see the backflip or no? Or do you want to do it one more time?
I think they saw the backflip. Lava. So, can you stop moving? It's not like someone needs to get on here or something.
Right, no one needs.
Oh, look what you made me.
Oh my god, I hate that song.
Oh,
It's not the best song, but it's not the worst song.
okay. Okay, so,
Just get on!
if I can get on the ladder. I'm not sure I can get on. I'm sorry. I'm a bad ladder
No, I'm
climber.
just gonna ditch you.
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Shark! 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 Oh my god. no, we're gonna die.
Oh my god.
What did you do?
I'm sorry.
Ah, I died.
He's coming for me.
Oh my god, I have to see the wall. I have to see the wall.
He's coming for me.
Ah, no, he left you.
Okay, that's
He
good.
left you.
Ooh, that was a close
He's
one.
going to, like, the mountains.
Oh, jeez, now it's nighttime.
Oh. I'll tell you if he's going near you or not.
Yeah, thanks. That's really helpful.
It is.
There's only 4 people left.
Oh, yeah. He's trying to get this one person.
Oh, jeez. Wait, which one? What's his
No,
name?
it's not you. It's, like, someone else. Come on, kill him.
Oh, he died. There's only 3 people left. Run, people, run.
Hey, I don't know where he's going. He's underwater. And he's not... Oh, he's going... There's someone there. There's, like, a whole another boat.
Help
Okay,
me.
he's going to you.
Oh, jeez.
Bye, Christian.
He took off my hair. He took off my hair.
Hiya.
Oh my god, you guys saw that, right? He took off my hair.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
Oh, get that person in that boat.
Okay, well, me and Lava Blaster just want to say... No, hold on. Before that, look. This guy's the shark, and so he's just like, he like does whatever he wants. He like just runs all over the place.
Tag with the shotgun.
Egg. I feel like he's really good at this game.
Hold on, he usually moves. Move. Then we play tag with him.
Okay, well, me and Lava both... No, we need to do it behind the snowman. Let's go.
Yeah. They opened up their presents. See how happy they are?
3.
I call them in. Now let's go in front of them like that were her babies.
3, 2,
Oh no. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Bye.
Bye.
Woo!
You love your gift? Ooh, now you smell